Alright, this assignment says to draw the whole rectangle from which the shaded region was made. First you need to find out the correct fraction. So 20% is the same as 20 out of 100. That's what percent means. If you reduce this, it's the same as 2/10, which is the same as 1/5. So 1/5. So this is 1 out of 5. So I need to draw 4 more pieces to get the whole rectangle. So how about, like there's the second one, then a third one, then a fourth one, and if I draw one more of these, it's not going to be a rectangle, so the last one I draw is going to have to be a different shape, but the same size, the same amount of squares. Notice that each of these sections has 20 small squares in it, and the full rectangle would be 100%, so that's also 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, for a total of 100%. For number 3, the fraction would be 75 out of 100, which is the same as 3/4. So I'll just figure out how to split this up into 3 pieces, and then I'll just add on the fourth one, and there's your fraction, the full rectangle right there. Number 6, 45%, 45 out of 100. You can divide both of those by 5 and you'll get 9 out of 20. That's about as much as you can reduce it. So if you split this up into 9 equal pieces, there are 9 boxes there, so 9. And it's supposed to be 9 out of 20, so you just want to make sure the full rectangle has 20 squares, so that'll be the full rectangle. Notice how this 45% is pretty close to 50%, and it looks like it's covering about half of the full rectangle. For number 8, we have 175%, which is bigger than 100%. So the rectangle that I draw is going to be smaller than that. So 175 out of 100 is the same as, if I divide those both by 25, it's the same as 7 out of 4. So notice I can split this into 7 equal pieces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if you want to shade 100%, that would be 4 out of 4. So this would be right here, 100%. Right there. Notice how the rectangle we shaded in was less than the amount that was shaded, because we were only shading 100%. And if this is 175%, that's almost double. And we look like at the stuff that was left over, that's almost double what the 100% is right here. So there's 100%, then not quite another 100%, so only an extra 75%.